Dear friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss our special paper Cost Accounting Paper 1, Unit number 1st, that is Introduction to Accounting. In this unit, we are going to focus the introductory part of cost accounting, mainly to understand the conceptual background, secondly to understand or to know the meaning of the cost accounting. In addition to that, features of cost accounting, and finally objectives of cost accounting. Dear friends, as far as cost accounting is concerned, it is a branch developed to overcome the limitations of financial accounting. We already learned the different aspects of financial accounting in last 2 years, 11, 12, first year of degree and second year. However, financial accounting is recording of the historical fact, and it can't give the justice for the cost accounting or the cost, and therefore this independent branch is developed to give the justice for the different elements of cost, to control the cost, to reduction the cost of production, etc. In the conceptual background, we should know the three important terms, that cost, costing and cost accounting. Dear friends, cost refers expenses or expenditure incurred during the manufacturing process or the production of goods and services. Mainly, it covers the expenses incurred for materials, labor and the overhead expenditure. As far as costing is concerned, it is the relating to the ascertainment of cost. By adopting the methods and techniques, we can ascertain the cost per unit or cost of production in the costing, and therefore we can use mainly the cost sheet or the statement of cost for ascertaining the cost. As far as cost accounting is concerned, it having the more scope than the costing, because it is a process, and therefore we should know the comprehensive definition of the cost accounting. We can focus as the cost accounting is a branch of accounting dealing with the classification, recording, allocation, summarization and reporting of the current and prospective cost. What is it? Current means what the cost is incurred, and prospective, that we this relate with the establishment of standard, and that compare with the standard with the actual. After analyzing this definition, we arrive at the different features that are, as we can point it out as one by one. We are analyzing that it is the process, and therefore first feature of cost accounting is the process of accounting for costs, the different costs, material cost, labor cost and overhead cost. Second feature of cost accounting, that it is related with the cost ascertainment, maybe cost per unit or total cost of production. In addition to this, the cost accounting relates to the cost control and cost reduction. It assists to the management in controlling the cost. Third feature or important characteristics of the cost accounting is cost accounting records the total cost of the production or the service. It is expected to record the total cost, element-wise cost. We discussed material, labor and that overhead. Finally, before discussion in detail about this, the next feature is it is expected the classification of cost or the total cost in the cost accounting process as per the element of cost. It helps mainly to prepare the cost sheet, and we can discuss in detail about the cost sheet, and there are different aspects like prime cost, factory cost, cost of production, total cost, etc. Next, that just we discussed about the prospective cost. It means cost accounting requires the establish the standards so that the actual cost may be compared to find out the deviations. Why to find out it? If the standard is established, suppose for particular job or particular operation or particular unit, we are decided that rupees 10 is the standard cost as a material cost. And if we take the actual data, if it is rupees 11, automatically we can say it is the excess and adverse in the process. There may be the because of waste of material or some other causes are there, and to eliminate this, that it is necessary to compare the actual cost with the standard, and to establish the standard having more importance. And last characteristics or the feature is the cost accounting provides the suitable arranged data for the purpose of control and guidance to the management. It assists to the management in the decision making process, and under cost accounting process it is required to provide the data, expected data to the management, which helps in decision making process. Dear friends, after discussing the various features of cost accounting, we can focus on the cost accounting objectives or objectives of cost accounting. As far as objectives are concerned, the first objective is cost ascertainment. The main objective of the cost accounting is to ascertain the cost of product, service or job, maybe total cost as well as the cost per unit is ascertained by the using the suitable costing methods. Mainly we are preparing the cost sheet or statement of cost for ascertainment of cost. Second objective is the cost analysis. Today the cost analysis has got more importance because the more cost ascertainment, only cost ascertainment is not enough to the management in controlling process or to know the what is adverse or what is favorable, and therefore it is necessary to analyze the element wise cost, that material cost, labor cost and overhead cost. We can that find out the what is the favorable or unfavorable under this process after the classification. Third objective is that cost accounting determines the selling price, or it helps in fixing the selling price of the product. Determination the proper selling price of a product or service is one of the very important decision of the management. Cost accounting provides this information to determine the selling price by disclosing detailed and relevant cost figures and data. Next objective is ascertainment of the profitability. That profitability is an important aspect to any concern, and therefore the cost accounting helps in ascertaining the profitability of each product or service. Under this process, it is possible to compare the cost data with the selling price and automatically we obtain the profit each product. If the profit is less or it is in loss, automatically management can take the decision whether to continue the production or to stop the production. Next objective is to control the cost or cost controlling. Cost accounting helps in controlling the cost of the product, and the objective of cost accounting is to develop a system of control for material, labor and overhead cost. Finally, we can say that that the main objective another is preparing the reports or helps in preparing the reports. Dear friends, in the business concern, it is necessary to prepare the financial statements. We know that the profit and loss account and balance sheet, and cost accounting provides the data regarding the various costs, stock levels, stock values, etc., which helps in preparing the financial statements like profit and loss accounts and balance sheet and the different reports. And finally, it provides the base for decisions. Decision making process may be the day-to-day decision or the decision relating to the product or service or purchase are on the base are taken on the basis of the information provided by the cost accounting department. In this segment, it is enough. Thank you very much.